Hello, my name is Mohammad Akbar Ali from Bangladesh. Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor degree at Astana IT University. For my course, academic writings, we need a short interview to you, so we are going to start. So, first of all, I want to ask you, could you please introduce yourself?
Uh, Hello, my name is Akbar Khalili. I'm currently in the second year student at Astana IT University, majoring in software engineering. My study is focused on the full stack development, algorithm, and software architectures. So I am really enjoyed to diving deeper and to backend technologies. That's it.
It's nice. As you said that you're a software engineering student, so how many hours per day you spend on online learning tools for your academic journey?
So typically, or on average, I spend about 4 or 5 hours per day using online learning tools for academic purposes. The categories I find is most essential for software engineering are like code-oriented platform like GitHub, like LateCode and Replit for practicing and collaboration on code. So and for video learning platform like YouTube materials or tutorial and the recorded lecture for catching up on complex topics, and also for documentation and references tools like Stack Overflow and official language docs, which I use most constantly while coding. Yes, I these three of them.
Nice, nice. So
Mhm.
as you said that you also watch pre-recorded classes like our university also provide like learn platform DU, my DU, and also we have MS Teams. So I want to ask you that those platform give you some benefits or no?
So honestly, yes, but only partially platforms like the MS Teams do help me stay connected with my project team, especially for group assignments uh, and being able to share code snippets, hold on the quick call or track task progress definitely makes me feel more involved. So, however, learns and my DU feel more like transactional. So I mostly use them to submit assignments or check grades. So the emotional connection there are weaker than MS Teams.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So, as you usually use those platforms, so I want to ask you one more question that did you face any problem, any challenge or any bug when you using those platforms?
So about the limitation and challenges, so I think the biggest challenge for me is definitely digital distraction. Since everything is studying, entertainment, social media happens on the same device. It is incredibly easy to lose focus. Like a YouTube tutorial tab become a rabbit hole within a minutes.
Mhm.
Second, to that is screen fatigue, especially during heavy coding session that stretch past 3 or 4 hours. The one that is specifically hurts software engineering students that is lack of the proper lab supervision. When I'm debugging a complex system or working with a service configuration, there is no substitute for having an experienced instructor physically present to guide you taught in a real time. So that is the limitation and challenges that I think and I face.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And my last question is about that. As you use a lot of online platform, online tools, you said before that. So I also want to ask you one more question that those platform give you some benefits, some opportunity for your future career in IT field.
Yes, yes, of course, they have benefits. So if I say them overall, so the benefits outweigh the limitations. But with the conditions, online tool give me access to an enormous range of resources, global developers communities, and flexible learning schedule that is a traditional classroom simplify cannot match. Platforms like GitHub alone have accelerated my practical skills significantly, That said, I think the key is discipline and the intentional use. Without self-regulation, the same tools that improving you can easily derail you. For an IT career, specifically, learning to work effectively in digital environment is a itself is a valuable skill. So, in a way, navigating these tools is a part of the preparation, I think.
Nice, nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your interview. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I am Mohammad Akbar Ali. I am the student of Astana IT University. Currently, I am studying my smart technology course. I am second year student. So today I will take your interview for our academic writing course. So let's start together. So could you please introduce yourself?
So, hello, I'm Adil Ormanov, student of third year software engineering school, and I don't know what else I can say about me. So, can you ask me your questions?
Thank you so much. So I want to ask you that as a student of ITU and your course is like a software engineering. So how many hours are you spending to use like online learning tools for your academic journey?
I'm not using the online tools uh, every day, but I used it in the past when I needed for write some articles. I used some hubs when you read many articles from Scopus. That's tools called ResearchGate, Scopus, and Library.ru.
So
That's all.
interesting. Thank you. So do you think that in our university we use like MyDU, Microsoft Team, or Learns platform? Do you think that those platforms give you some benefit for your academic journey?
You don't need using mandatory only the Microsoft software. If you want, if it's convenient for you, you can use, of course. But for example, you can change the teams with Google Meet or Zoom. You can change the Outlook with Yandex Mail or Mail.ru or Google Mail. It's up to you.
So I also want to ask you one more question that when you using your online learning tools for your academic journey, did you face some problem, bugs, or something else?
I use it the research portals. This is a world research portals, and there are no any bugs.
Like and the sub question like when you using like MyDu, our Astana IT University website,
I
main
never use my
website.
tools. I never use.
Okay, okay. So my last question is about that when you're using your online learning tools that you get some experience. So how do you think that those experience give you some benefit for your IT career for future?
In digital era, the using of online tools is a mandatory if you wanna uh, write or doing some digital work. Uh, of course, you need using the online tools in mandatory form because where you can find so a lot of information for your research paper, for example.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much for your interview. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, my dear.
Currently, I'm studying at Astana IT University. My subject is Smart Technology, and I am second year student. So we are going to take your interview for our uh, academic writing. First question is, could you please introduce yourself?
So, hello, my name is Yoman Ilgaliyev. I'm also from ST245, second course at university, and I have the same major, smart technology.
Thank you. And as you're a student of ITU, and I want to say that how many hours per day are you spending on online learning tools?
On average, I spend 4 to 5 hours per day on online learning tools for my specific focus on IT. It's tools for my subjects like Cisco Packet Tracer.
As a student of AITU, everyone use like MyDU, MS Teams, Learns platform. So what do you think those platform give you some benefit for your academic journey?
Yes, I definitely feel that platform like Teams and MyDuo increase my engagement, mm, but not the Learn because I did not use it. Uh, in collaborative platforms, bridge the gap between working in isolation and being part of a functional team. When I can share my screen to my group mates in real time.
Like when you using those platforms, sometimes you face some problem or challenges, like any bugs. Do you have any experience about that?
Yes, definitely I have lots experience in that, spending like hours in command line interface and debugging session. It's mentally draining and leads to drop in focus. Um, and being on the same device you use or for both study and entertainment makes it easy to slip away from a complex assignment into unrelated browsing.
Thank you so much. And our last questions that overall, like you study at AITU and your subject you said that is smart technology, so that in future you'll get like a career like IT industry. So how do you think that those online learning tools give you some benefit for your future career?
Well, I believe that the benefits significantly outweigh the limitations because in modern IT industry is inherently digital and increasing remote. By using these online tools that I use now, I'm not just learning technical concepts like image processing or computer network security. Uh, I'm also mastering the digital workflows and communication habits that I need in my career.
Mhm. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time and interview. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no
Goodbye.
problem.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Akbar Ali at Astana IT University. Today, I will take your interview about the impact of learning tools at Astana IT University. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Aybek. I'm also a AITU University student. My faculty is Smart Technology, second year students.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, how many hours per day do you spend using online learning tools?
I don't use them every day, but it's around 5 hours a week, maybe or more.
In our university, we use MyDU Learns platform, MS Teams for our academic journey. So, what do you think that those platforms give you some benefits or no?
Yes, yes, of course. These platforms really makes easier our learning processes because even in that Microsoft Teams we can upload, no, teachers can upload and students can do tasks. In the example of 19th and 20th years, like COVID-19, because of COVID-19, we all studied online, and we personally used Microsoft Teams, did every assignments in Microsoft Teams, had exams on Microsoft Teams as well. Who wanted to learn something, I guess they didn't miss anything that could be that they wanted to learn and that teachers could give. I guess that's it.
So, I want to ask also that when you're using online learning tools, did you face any problem or any limitations about that?
Ah, yes, here is some problems. The main is that because of some local cost problems like connection problem. Sometimes our internet provider or internet is being weak, and we cannot share our, for example, video or even we cannot speak because our voice is being sometimes, and because of that, we cannot use for 100% mm, learning tools, online learning tools, but using online learning tools causes some violation of academic problem, privacy problems, like using other tools to pass the exams,
Mhm.
because sometimes if you have like more gadgets and also problems with internet, and you don't turn on your
Yeah, that's common. That's common.
video, you can cheat. No, sometimes people cheat and plagiarism, of course.
Oh, yes.
But that's it, I guess. That was the main problems.
Yes. So nice. And my last questions is about that as you're like a IT student, so how do you think that those online learning tools should help you for your IT career in future?
Yes, I'm sure it's yes, because we have lots of chance. No, there is lots of usage of online learning tools. Like we can also conduct online teaching. For example, I myself, when I was at school, I had a very poor understanding of programming. Bought a course online with tutoring, and I had my tutor, and we also was conducting online lessons, and he was explaining everything, and he was grading my assignments and so on and so on. So I think I overcame my fear uh, in programming, and
Yes.
I started to understand at least something that I was afraid of, and I really liked it. And like in this way, we could also teach others, or as our professors, we can conduct online lectures. So to present our works, our projects, and so on. And for if we will be just programmers, like front-end, back-end programmers, we don't need even to go to office and do something. We could just be even in another country and work from there. Uh, and just send our and present our works, also the job we did, work we did online.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's it.
And that's so nice. So thank you so much, Ivek. Thank you for your great response. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Okay, good.